Review Hub.
Brand name Lefant. Model name M2Pro. Water tank capacity 300 milliliters. Dust box capacity 150 milliliters. Base station capacity 2.7 liters. Dust bag capacity 2.3 liters. Battery capacity 19-volt battery capacity. Runtime 120 minutes. Weight 6 to 10 kilograms. Number of operating nodes 3 to 4. Battery type Li-ion. Dust box capacity greater than 2 liters. Filter type HEPA. Cleaning route planned type. Bag or bagless with bag. Cord length wireless. Timing reservation yes. Dust storage type dust box or dust bucket. Installation robot. Function mopping and sweeping and suction type. Brand name Lefant. Voltage 19 volts. Battery life 2 hours. Max suction 6000 PA. Navigation DTOF laser navigation and PSD obstacle avoidance. Mapping multi-layer smart zoning map. Mopping volume electric control water tank. Remote control no. Cleaning coverage 120 meter squared per charge. Side brush anti-tangle side brush. Main brush anti-tangled roller brush. Carpet boost mode yes.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.